How you doing, everybody, and welcome. This is Oscar. So you're watching this video right now is because probably you're a little bit concerned when it comes to the price of Tonic token, the Tectonic project, asking yourself, what am I got into, right? Was this the right decision? Am I supposed to buy more? Dollar cost average, sell? Asking a lot of questions and kind of asking for some guidance. Well, let me tell you something. This is something that I've seen many times. I'm not concerned, and definitely I know what to do. And I'll tell you by the end of this video. There's something called micro cap strategy. So if you don't know that, sit down, relax, enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Let's go ahead and start talking about Tonic because, of course, it's an important day. Just take a look at the price right now. It looks fascinating. If you want to get to know me a little bit better, I like to buy when it looks something like this. Definitely, I need to see the forecast and the previous price to see if it's gonna continue dropping, if the patterns indicate that the price is gonna continue rising. So let's go ahead and start digesting this. There's no rush. So let me explain. Early, just today, Monday, we see that the price is dropping more than 20%. Ask yourself, is the rest of the market dropping that bad? Are we experiencing this across the category of borrowing and lending? And why is this happening? Well, let's start digesting this, right? First and foremost, when you see the top 10 cryptocurrencies at the macro level, which they have trillions, billions of market cap, they actually are good. Bitcoin is doing well, Ethereum is doing well. The top 10, they're not doing that bad. So that's one. Going back to Tectonic right now, 27% negative. VVS Finance, which is another one that I like to just kind of compare to Tectonic because they are coming from the Kronos chain, it has less than 5% decrease. So why in the world Tectonic is down that bad? Well, my friends, micro cap trading strategy. What does that mean? If you are aware of Tectonic, if you like Tectonic last week because it was increasing all the way to the moon, guess what's going to happen? There's people, there's whales, right? That you may know them, who knows? There's people who already know about Tectonic and they've utilized the snowball effect to buy low. And whenever they see an opportunity, they will start selling and waiting to repeat the process. Actually, my videos last week and in my live yesterday, I mentioned, guys, the RSI is overbought, the stochastic RSI is overbought, the Bollinger Band is already up. There is an opportunity for other sellers to come in and just start doing it, dumping the, in this case, Tonic project. So what does that mean? Does it mean that the project is garbage, that is going to go away, that, it was just a mistake? Guys, from my experience, it is not. That does not mean. It just means that this is a super early project that people are using Tonic as a vehicle to financial freedom. That's what it is. That's all that it means. It doesn't mean that it's gonna go away as garbage, it's a scam, it's a rug pull. From all my research and from the videos I already made, this is an okay, decent project that is going to take a while, and they're trying to do something cool by borrowing and lending to users from the Kronos chain, which is really great. In that category where you have Compound, Aave, and other ones as the leaders, we analyzed and saw that if we want to have a 100x on Tonic, that will put us somewhere around the first, second, third by market cap in that category. I like that. That being said, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out from here, 192, you barely can see it, there you go, 190 plus percent upside, right? So if you are a seasoned type of crypto investor, you know that after a 190 plus increase, guess what's gonna come? Pues of course the drop. Of course the drop. Now, do I know when the drop is gonna be? Of course not. But by looking at the indicators that we analyzed already, we know that the drop was just gonna come eventually. And guess what? All of this, guys, that we're seeing thus far, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the ruler from here all the way down, which is right now about to be 30%. They were already with triggers. There were people already there with triggers ready to be selling and selling and selling. Now, if you're just waking up and seeing the price and now you're gonna start bashing on everyone, right, because it's down for some reason, just take a look at this change, guys. From here, a lot of buying pressure, some sell-offs, but still the buyers were winning. Definitely sellers are gonna come in, and that's what's happening right now. So Microstrategy trading, right? People make millions with this strategy. What does it mean? Instead of going to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, crypto.com, where it's already known by everyone, it's just kind of what happens. You go down the chain, you find projects that have good potential, and then you see the community. If it's popping, you start buying, and it's a toss-up, but definitely a lot of people are making a lot of money right now because they're selling, right? I personally, I was expecting, I'm waiting something for this, because guys, this is cryptocurrency. The story repeats itself every single time. No matter, listen to this, guys, this is important. No matter how good your project is, you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, no matter how your project is with cryptocurrency, you're always gonna come back down. You're always gonna go down lower than your expectations, right? That is crypto. And you're also gonna go the way to the moon, much higher than your expectations. That's cryptocurrency, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't really happen in stocks. That's why most people don't like stocks. But here in crypto, that's the way. So right now, I can tell you guys, we're barely starting. I can create a Fibonacci retracement here, but literally we need more time to really have more solid and mature, I will say, analysis of tectonic price, right? So, I mean, that's what I can tell you easily, guys. And what I just said is super important, and it has to be within your bones, right? Understanding MicroStrategy pattern, and I mean, to make money here on cryptocurrency. A lot of people are selling because of that. Now, what I'm waiting for at this time is the support line. When will the support line be? I cannot tell you, because we had a nice rise. The only thing that I can identify is these small pockets of trading and consolidation that we had right here, and right here. And of course, the bottom right here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this time, we're seeing somewhere right here, but they're still waiting. It's a waiting game when it comes to Tonic at this time, guys, right? Comparing to the price of VVS Finance at this time, I mean, it's not really crashing that bad. VVS Finance been a little bit longer and people already know it, but with Tectonic, it was something that it was kind of new, starting fresh. Definitely expecting this, I would say, movements, harsh movements is something that I will look at, right? And 26,000 addresses, which is pretty good. I mean, it's increasing, which is great. And definitely you can see, of course, the projected price. If you compare it to compound, easily 76x. So still easy, still early. I mean, I'm waiting for a little bit lower, and then I'm going to go in with a lot of Tectonic, and I'll tell you guys, it's going to be amazing. Of course, I want to trade this one, have something staked. You know the whole drill when it comes to decentralized finance. Have a portfolio for staking, earning interest, passive income, and have another portfolio to do exactly this and make the good monies for you and me. There you guys have it. That is what I will tell you, my analysis, honest and transparent analysis, guys. What we're seeing right now with Tectonic is nothing new. It's just people that know how this works. They buy low, they sell high, they repeat the process. And sadly, the people who buy at the top, I never recommend, are the ones that are most hurt. It is what it is. Welcome to crypto. Take a look at the links down below. Go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells. Do not forget to grab your physical coins in the description down below. They're pretty cool, Shiba Inu and more. And I catch you next time. Peace.